Welcome to my channel. I'm Nicolas. Today we will prepare melomakarona. Melomakarona and kourabiedes are the most common traditional Christmas desserts in Greece. Melomakarona are biscuits dipped in light syrup coated with ground sesame seeds. So let's start by making the dough. In a big bowl, add the orange juice, the raki, which is an alcoholic drink similar to vodka, the sugar, the olive oil, the cinnamon, the clove, and I will mix with my hand. Mix until the sugar is dissolved. Add half of the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda and the salt, and mix well. Slowly add the rest of the flour in parts. You will find all the quantities in my blog. I will let a link in the description. The dough should be soft and not stick to your hands. The next step is to make the biscuits. Take a small ball of dough on your hand and shape it like this. After that, repeat with the rest of the dough. Now place them in preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius until golden brown. Now it's time to roast the sesame seeds. Place them in a pan over medium heat. Don't stop stirring until it gets brown but not burnt. The sesame seeds are ready and I will transfer them to a bowl in order for them to cool down. When the sesame seeds are cold, crush them in a blender. The sesame is ready and we will move on to the syrup. It's time to prepare the syrup. In high heat, add the water, the sugar for the syrup, and the honey. And stir until the sugar is dissolved. When the syrup starts boiling, continue stirring for 5 minutes. At the moment, the syrup is boiling hot and has simmered for 5 minutes. The biscuits are cold, so I will start dipping them for some seconds into the syrup. Continue with the other biscuits. When some of your biscuits are syruped, take them and roll them into the sesame seeds that we prepared earlier. And now, the traditional Greek dessert melomakarona is ready. Enjoy! Happy holidays!